The Tale of Lady and the Tramp.
Once upon a time, in a cozy neighborhood in the city, there lived a refined and elegant cocker spaniel named Lady. Lady belonged to a kind family who loved her dearly. She was well-groomed, polite, and accustomed to a life of comfort and luxury. Every day, she would go for walks with her human family, enjoy delicious meals, and rest peacefully in her soft bed. However, one day, everything changed. Lady's family decided to have a new baby, and they became busier and more distracted. Over time, Lady felt a little lonely and confused. Despite her family's love, she sensed that her place in the household was changing. One evening, she wandered into the backyard and found herself alone, feeling uncertain about what was happening. Meanwhile, in the neighborhood, there was a scruffy but charming stray dog named Tramp. Tramp was a street-smart, free-spirited dog who had learned to survive on his own. He had no family to call his own, but was happy exploring the city, making friends, and living life to the fullest. Tramp was known for his adventurous spirit and his cleverness. One day, Lady and Tramp's paths crossed. During an unexpected encounter, Lady was exploring the neighborhood out of curiosity, and Tramp, always looking for an interesting adventure, approached her. At first, Lady was cautious. She had never met a stray dog before and was unsure if she could trust him. But Tramp was kind and gentle, and soon they began to talk and share stories about their lives. As days went by, Lady and Tramp spent more time together, Tramp showed Lady the hidden corners of the city. A mysterious alley. A quiet park. A cozy corner by the river. Lady, in turn, taught Tramp about the comforts of a home and the love of a family. Their friendship grew stronger, and they became inseparable companions. One night, a terrible event occurred. Lady's owners noticed she was missing, and they searched everywhere. Fearing the worst, they realized she had wandered away. Meanwhile, Lady found herself lost and scared. Tramp promised to help her find her way home. Together, they face many challenges, from busy streets to dangerous alleyways. During their journey, Lady learned about the hardships of life on the streets, but she also discovered her own strength and resilience. Tramp, in turn, learned about the importance of loyalty and caring for others. Their friendship deepened, and they realized that they cared for each other deeply. Eventually, with the help of kind strangers and their own bravery, Lady was reunited with her family. Her owners were overjoyed and grateful to see her safe. Lady, now wiser and more understanding of the world, knew that her life had changed forever. From that day on, Lady and Tramp remained friends, each respecting their different worlds, but sharing a special bond. Lady learned that love and friendship could come from unexpected places, and Tramp discovered that there was more to life than just surviving on the streets. And so, their story teaches us that kindness, courage, and friendship can overcome any obstacle, and that sometimes the greatest adventures happen when we step out of our comfort zones. The end.